Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a few tricks you can do with your camera on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021. So first thing, we're gonna go to our settings and restart our settings so that everything will be clear. The next thing, there's a few tricks that are not obvious on our camera settings. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is that you can actually take photos with your volume up or volume down key, like that. The next thing is actually swiping down our shutter, like that. And that way you will make just a burst of photos. You can customize this option to change it to GIF in our settings, which I'm gonna show you later. The next option is to take our shutter out and just place it anywhere on our screen if it's easy to access to make photos. The next option is to select somewhere on the screen, just press it. You can lock it as well and change the brightness easier, like that. Pretty nice. The next option is actually to show you the shutter, and just press on the settings button, go to the swipe shutter, and you can create GIF by doing the same thing. So just swipe it down, and that way we'll create the GIF file, like that. Let me open that. And that's a GIF file, not a video. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.